You're living your best life. The person you once chased is now the one reaching out, texting first, calling, and wanting to spend time with you. But here's the thing. This isn't about playing games or creating some fake persona to seem interesting. The real secret? It's about making an authentic shift in focus back to yourself. Most of us have been conditioned to believe that to attract someone, we have to put them first. We think, if I do more for them, they'll notice and appreciate me. But here's the reality. When you give all your energy to someone else and make them the center of your world, you're actually pushing them away. Why? Because people don't place high value on what's handed to them without effort. True attraction happens when someone sees you as a confident, fulfilled person who has a life of their own. So, how do you create this genuine shift? It starts by pulling back your emotional energy. Stop giving all of yourself to people who haven't earned that level of commitment. Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Stoic philosophers, once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. What you need to realize is that you don't have control over someone else's feelings or actions, but you do have control over yourself, your choices, and your energy. Take that energy and invest it in your own growth, your own happiness, and your own goals. Become someone who is truly fulfilled on their own, without needing validation from anyone else. When you're focused on becoming the best version of yourself, learning, growing, and setting new goals, people can feel that energy. You become magnetic, not because you're putting on a show, but because you're genuinely engaged in your own life. Imagine this: instead of waiting for their text, you're out enjoying your hobbies, spending time with friends, and pursuing your passions. You're no longer sitting by the phone. And here's the irony: the less you chase, the more they notice your absence. Suddenly, they're the ones reaching out because they can feel the shift. They realize you're no longer waiting for them, and that change in dynamic is powerful. So, stop waiting for someone else to validate your worth. Show them you're worth it by focusing on your own journey. When you make yourself the priority, you're no longer the one chasing, you're the one being chased.